How you guys doing today? So I want to tell you guys a little bit more about dropshipping that you may have not known about, because see, when it comes to starting your business, you want to be able to gather all the information that you need so that you can be able to make the best decision when starting your business. And there's some things about dropshipping that you may have not known about that you should know so that you can decide whether you should take on a challenge of starting your own dropshipping business. So in this video, we're going to talk about 3 things that you need to be aware of when starting your dropshipping business and to decide whether if dropshipping is for you or if you would like to try another kind of business. Now, the first thing I want to talk about is when it comes to dropshipping, you're going to be ordering things that are from overseas, and if you're trying to target customers in the USA, it can take a while for the packages to come to your customer's door. When you are doing dropshipping, most of the items that you will be purchasing will be coming from Alixpress. So if we were to Google search how long does it take for Alixpress to deliver to customers in the USA, as you can see here, it says Alixpress shipments generally take 3 to 4 weeks to arrive, but the protection time is 60 days, and depending on the time of year or country of the destination, you may have to wait up to 60 days to receive it. So this means if your customers were to purchase a product from you and you were to dropship it by purchasing the item from AliExpress, it can take approximately 3 to 4 weeks, and sometimes there could be cases where it takes up to 60 days. Now, as you can see here, this is a potential problem for your dropshipping business because customers nowadays are not willing to wait 3 to 4 weeks for their products to arrive at their front door. With the option of your customers being able to order on Amazon Prime, which they can get their package the next day or even the same day, your dropshipping business won't stand a chance against the fast and easy convenience that Amazon provides. So this leaves us with only 2 options. Either find products that customers don't mind waiting 3 to 4 weeks for, or to find a dropshipping supplier that's located in the USA if you are targeting customers in the USA. So if we decide to look for products that customers don't mind waiting 3 to 4 weeks for, we then have to brainstorm on what items are customers willing to wait long for without any complaints. Now, some of the items that customers don't mind waiting 3 to 4 weeks for are things like power tools, yoga mats, dog toys, slime, and organic tea. Now, the great thing about selling these items such as power tools and yoga mats are that they have a much higher profit margins, which means that you're able to actually sell these products for a much more higher price and still be able to make a good profit margins to make it worth your time doing dropshipping business. Items like yoga mats and dog toys, customers are actually willing to wait 3 to 4 weeks because they're not really in a rush for those kind of items, and they don't mind that it comes, 3 to 4 weeks. It can take even 60 days and there won't be any complaints. And also items like organic tea and slime. I think slime is still popular. I would actually have to check. But these kind of products are actually the products that people don't mind waiting for a long period of time because it's not something that's urgently needed, but it would be nice to have. So when you're starting your dropshipping business, you want to think about some of the items that your prospective customers are willing to wait or actually don't mind waiting a long period of time to receive their products. Now, the next thing we need to talk about is how do we go about getting customers, right? Because that's another thing that is going to be a challenging aspect of doing your dropshipping business is how to go about finding customers, how to go about putting your ads out, and how to go about even trying to find your niche so that you can be able to become profitable in your dropshipping business. Now, in order to find customers, there are many platforms that we can find them on, such as Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and believe it or not, Snapchat. Even though it is a dying application, you may be shocked to still be able to find that you can actually still be able to make your dropshipping business a success on there. Because at this moment, there will be less competition and more room for you to make as much money as possible on Snapchat before it's completely dead. The products that you will choose to sell on your dropshipping website will be a big determination on which social media platform your dropshipping business will do best on. So if you are selling items such as dog toys, baby products, or items that are more tailored towards women, then Pinterest will be your best bet in order to achieve profitability. Now, when selling power tools, for example, you can consider using a platform like Reddit, which is mostly predominantly male, and you'll be able to achieve profitability from the platform. So it's all about finding where your customers are likely to be at and being able to place your advertisements there so that you can get the most financial return for your ad money spent. You can also consider partnering with the influencer to advertise your products to their followers. Now, when you are going in this direction, you want to provide the influencer an incentive so that he or she will be happy to post your products to their followers. So this may require you to have some cash up front, and you have to be a good negotiator so that you can negotiate with the person that you are trying to make a deal with. Depending on the situation, you can even negotiate where every item that's sold by the influencer, he or she can earn a percentage. You would then need to establish why this would be a good deal, because the influencer can always consider creating a dropshipping business for themselves. So there needs to be some other tangible aspects that makes the deal more attractive for both you and the influencer. Now, the next thing about dropshipping that you may have not known about is that the reason why customers buy from you is because of the perception and the presentation of your website. So this means that your website and how it looks is very important for customers that are looking to buy your products, because they want to feel that you are the person who is the originator of this item, and they want to feel like they are purchasing it from the actual source. So when you're creating your website, you want to make sure that every aspect of your website is flawless, so that when customers go to your webpage, they feel like you are the person who owns this product and that you are the person that they should be buying from. Some of the website building applications that you can use are Wix.com. I highly recommend using Shopify.com because it is an easy drag and drop tool that will help build your website and have it look very professional, so that when customers go to your website, they'll be like, wow, look at this. Ooh, pacifiers. Ooh, dog toys. Ooh, yoga mat. I'll buy this and I'll buy this. And as you're building your website, you want to make sure that you are pricing your products effectively so that you are able to achieve enough profit margins so that you can be able to sustain yourself and to sustain your dropshipping business. I hope you guys achieve your dropshipping success and live the life that you deserve. Take care now.